Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we work on our leg and glute. So I will have 6 different exercises using more heavy weights for doing this workout. So prepare that will be have more intensive and I will use more heavy weights because glute is stronger, bigger muscle in our body. So we use a heavy weights to more activate the muscle to help it grow. And in the other hand, thank you so much for the comments. Last video, it was a bit dim. So this video, I will change the location to heavily that got more light and exposure for the video more clearer. And also, they have more comments about I should use more dumbbell exercise for the coming future, but which I do. I will have more workout plans for help us to lose all the post-holiday weight. So please stay tuned. Are you ready? Let's start. Hi guys, I'm going to show you the first, the proper forms to perform the squat. So the first one we do is we need to engage our core. And when you lower your body down, so you need to push your hip backwards, not straight, because that will activate your hips muscle. So we just push it back and lower as much as you could. Okay, and pause. That's one rep, and push it back. Lower, engage your core, and push as much as you could. Pause, then coming back. That's called one rep. And later on, we will use all different forms of the squat, but you have to remember, this is the proper form we do. No matter what you're holding your dumbbell or your barbell, this is how we do. Okay, so the first exercise we do is dumbbell squat. And when we do this, we will need to have a set of dumbbell. You can have your 5 kg, but I prefer to have the heaviest weights to doing my lower body. So we do have holding your dumbbell. And as I said before, we will have engage your core and bend your knee, push your hips backward, and lower as much as you could. One rep. Coming back. So for this one, we will do 8 to 10 reps. So but today we do 8 reps and we start to doing now. And we'll rest for 30 seconds and we're going for to the another 2 sets for 3 sets.
Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got a bin fire, I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side, I'm in that new coupe. Got bin fire. I get that check right. Look, off of that side. Wave, look, hey, I don't do no fake love. Tell Lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing. I'm that maze runner. I've been on the stage done. My drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021, about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learn from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's so well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, I'm about to profit. I'm a real hitter with them wheels spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, getting top in the backseat. Duck a critic and an analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. It's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side, I'm in that new coupe. Got bin fire, I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side, I'm in that new coupe. Got bin fire. Next fashion week we touching pay, yeah that's necessary. Double cheeky, she speaking French but I'm not understanding. Mom sent those flicks of my daddy that drip hereditary. Let him talk it like I ain't next, let me just prove that theory. I don't do pretend, I don't like percents. I'm not cool with friends of friends. I don't do the trends, I set them, I ain't like it. I can't do contend. Double rope chain necklace make her wet, she jumping out of skin. The Brody almost caught her straight from round away on split decision. We treat now like all we got is the moments we in.
Okay, the second exercise we're going to do is goblet dumbbell squat. So same as before, we engage our core and push our backs backwards, but then when we hold the dumbbell, we should have our elbow pointing down, and we lowering when we lower as much as we could, and pause, same as before. Ready? We start. But then we have to be rest for 10 seconds for each set. Let's start.
Okay. Yeah. Look, yeah. Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. I see a flip, I make a flip. I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick. This that double shift, this that overtime. I'm on my job, player, you know I was born to grind. It's for my people standing up until they back hurt. It's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage and all my cash clerks. It's I gotta do, but yo, I need the bag first. This system with me way before my bachelor's. They with me, yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap, that's a fact word. The system got me on my back, what's the answer? Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pour shots, keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it. Up, son, I'm out. I don't wanna breathe, I just wanna pass out. Reaping what I sowed, that's what I'm doing, cousin. Keeping to my owns, not how I'm moving, cousin. Black Emperor, open the cash register. Running sales back to back peddlers. How can I help you? How can I shelf you? Dealt with wealth, please help yourself, boo. You hear the way how I be rocking on the beat. I'm a rock star, boy, I rock it to sleep. I'm a lead from the seasons I spent on my fucking job. And I signed a deal, I just sold that to God. Hey, down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop.
Okay, the third exercise is sumo squat. So when we do is, we set our feet traced apart as our shoulder, and we holding a dumbbell, push all the way down in the thing. The whole movement, we need to keep our back neutral. It's called one move. So that one, pause, and coming back. Pause, coming back. So you ready? Let's start for 10 reps, and we have 10-second sets, 10-second rest. Let's start.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, You're crazy for saying get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better.
The next exercise is dumbbell split squat. So what we do, holding a set of dumbbell, and have your the left foot in front of your right. And slowly lower your body as much as you can to lower it down. That's called 1 rep. So, and 1, pause. Pause in here, then coming back, 1 rep. So we do 10s of each size and 10 seconds for each set, reduce 3 sets. Let's start it.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you. soul. I play the cut with my homies, dressed in all black and we cozy. Can't say you love, you gotta show me. I ain't with my guys, then I'm dolly. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. Biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the police, show no love to the phonies. No love, no love. She wanna come to my homie, she wanna ride like a pony. Better pay up if you owe me, don't come around like you know me.
Man's them moving too shaky, acting sus for no reason. Still do the dash like Stacy with a city girl, it's that season. She wanna ride this all-wheel drive, we don't gotta put no key in. We on a rise like emoji eyes, you know that they be preying. Stashing the guap, setting up shop. I got a plan, is you ready or not? Puffing this plant, rising my stock, force on my hand, they moving wide. Don't gotta scam, don't gotta hop. I turn styles, screw it and chop. Shout out big bro, he call me Ock. Keeping it safe, we got it on lock. This is a whole mood like O2. I told Missy to work it. She got that soul food, I'm so full, she get busy for certain. This is a whole mood like O2. I told Missy to work it. She got that soul food, I'm so full, she get busy for certain.
Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the police, show no love to the phonies. No love, no love. She wanna come to my homie, she wanna ride like a pony. Better pay up if you owe me, don't come around like you know me. We in the spot, thuggin' like Pac, kicking in doors, you know we don't knock. She wanna dance, do a TikTok, she making it move, she making it drop. We set the mood, pull up and eat all your food. Ooh, 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 how can we lose? Blessings keep coming in twos. Ay, you do or you don't, you will or you won't. Hop in the phantom, then I go ghost. They doing the most, they watch what you post. Like in our picture, she like how I post. They saying we goals, Kobe on gold, playing the cut, just me and my woes. We getting high to balance the lows, you hear the flows. I need my ducks in a row, whoa, 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 yeah. Coming up fast, I thought we was moving too slow, whoa, no. Making a killing, cause we keep selling these clothes, yeah. It's how it's so, I ain't gon' tell you no more, just me and my bro, ayy. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch.
Okay, so now all the exercise done, and I hope you enjoy it. And Merry Christmas, enjoy your holiday. And coming back, I will have more of the exercise plans to light up. And don't forget to subscribe. See you later, bye.